Hi guys, Sheila here, Director of BMR Health and Wellbeing. Just wanted to pop on and say hello and introduce myself, and also just to have a little chat about some top tips to help address your stress while we're all going through what is truly a most bizarre and stressful time for all of us. A lot of us out there are self-employed, so we've got worries about work and money and finances, but there are things that we can control. There are things that we can't control. There are things that we can influence, and there are things that we can't influence, and therefore there are things that we need to accept. So when we're coming across things that are really stressing us out, apply the CIA. Can I control it? Can I influence it? Or can I accept it? When you can categorise your problem into any of those three areas, it really helps you to kind of move forward, especially with the stuff that we have no control over, like our current situation with business, with isolation, with social distancing, etc. So just a couple of tips here to help you address your stress. I've written some of them down, so if you see my eyes flirting over there, it's because I've got the memory of a goldfish. The menopause. So first tip is to stay physically active. I know lots of you out there will probably, like myself, have a gym membership. All the good gyms out there are, supporting their clients. They're doing a lot of online stuff. They've reacted very, very well in terms of freezing memberships and switching to online facilities such as Zoom, such as YouTube, etc., etc. Fantastic effort, from clubs all across the UK. So yeah, for anybody there saying, "Oh, I don't know how to exercise. I can't really exercise." No excuses. Get moving. You've got your hour a day. Squeeze it in somewhere. Get walking. Get on YouTube. Just do something. You will feel so much better for it. We do see a lot of stuff on Facebook about, I'm learning a new language. I'm going to play the flute. I'm going to become something this or the other. You know what? Don't put yourself under pressure to learn new skills when we're in this time. We're learning new skills every day, trying to juggle what it is that we're doing. Homeschooling, balancing a schedule, getting around to parents to do, multiple shoppings. We've got enough on our plate without putting more pressure on ourselves. So just learn how to get through your day. And I think one of the most important things I would say to you during these times is have structure. Still carry on like you're at work. Get up in the morning, get dressed, have a workspace in the house. If your business if you're furloughed, there's still stuff you can be getting on with on a personal level. If you're self-employed, get your books up to date, get your website sorted, get your social media in order, get yourself ready for when you hit the ground and everything's back up and running, because you will hit that ground running. People will want exercise. They will want hairdressers. They will want, all sorts, beauticians, you name it. There's going to be a big demand for products and services out there. So all of those that are feeling the hardest hit at the moment are probably the ones that are going to benefit the most once we start coming out of this situation. So do get structure in your day, set your alarm, get up, set a separate workspace. Make sure that you're connecting with people. So if you're all furloughed, still connect with your work colleagues, still stay in touch. It really, really is worth doing that. It will give you some sense of belonging and some sense of structure. What I would say in these times when it feels like a weekend every day, or we're losing track of what day it is, avoid excess. That's excess alcohol, excess sugar, excess caffeine, excess lying in bed. First couple of weeks felt like a bit of a holiday, which is fine. We do what we do to get through it, but I think as we're starting to stabilise and this is starting to become our new norm for the short term, make sure that you get off the eating wagon. Social distance from the fridge, social distance from the booze cabinet. Just make sure that you're not treating every day like it's a weekend. Don't try to be perfect neither. just get through each day as you can. And the other thing is keep your human connections wherever possible. So be that joining in quizzes, BMR ran a quiz the other day on Facebook. We couldn't get enough interaction on there because it's difficult if you can't see other people. So we're going to switch over to doing our quizzes on Zoom. And where you can, connect with clients, pop in a Zoom call, just would be nice to catch up. I'm sure they'll appreciate you contacting them as much as you'd appreciate the conversation and that touch with another human being. So just because you're not working doesn't mean you can't make the calls, you can't hook up on Zoom, you can have a good old catch up. So keep yourself busy. Make sure that you're looking out for each other and being kind with each other. We are living in some potentially pretty explosive environments in terms of we're not getting a 5-minute break from the kids or from our loved ones. So, tensions can be quite fraught at home. If you do feel that you've got nowhere to turn to or no one to talk to, there are lots of online services with places such as the Samaritans. If you go onto Mental Health First Aid England website and their resources, go onto our website, bmrhealthandwellbeing.co.uk. You'll find downloads and support tools to help you. Alternatively, both myself and Anne are trained mental health first aid instructors. If you send us a contact through our email contact forms, we can arrange a time that suits both to give you a call and just have a chat. We're here for a chat if you just want to get things off your chest, offload, or look for advice and support where you can we can signpost you to get whatever it is that you may need. So it's been lovely chatting to you. If you're still here at the end of the video, thank you very much, and I hope to see you in person soon. Thank you. Bye.